Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain a popular hobby collectible from the Dreamlight Cinematics Festival and how you can then sell it to Azure. That's like the new task you have to do in Heartopia. So here you can either take up cooking, you can catch like an octopus or catch some bees, but I'm just going to cook here because it's like the closest right now. Okay, so next I'm going to cook the food. So I'll be able to give it to Azure. I'm just going to make the savory popcorn bucket. And just going to cook that. Oh, it's not that hard to cook actually. It's pretty simple. Ta-da! And I'm just going to go back to Azure and I'm just going to give it to her. Okay, now I'm back at Azure's like area. Just going to talk to Azure here and I'm going to press the festival related option and then sell items and then sell the popcorn and then press sell. And you're just going to talk to Azure again, I assume, here. Alright. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.